John O'Brien. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, we are in Stonington, Illinois today, working on John O'Brien's building. We're about halfway through this project, so we ran into a few hurdles here. They had some columns that were kind of repaired, 2x6s, concrete. So we've been killing ourselves here for about the last 2 hours, but we're down to the final steps of the installation. So I just kind of wanted to walk through this. It's really a typical column repair, with the exception of somebody had tried to do some attempts on some of these columns. So rather than leave them the way they were, we did the best we could to bust out what we had and sustain the wall. Slider door wasn't working. Now it's working. So we're gaining ground here. But if you walk around, you'll see we had to do some dig outs. What we had was chunks of concrete in there, 2x6s, but you can see how that column's deteriorated. So once we put that sleeve in there, we'll get that down to the footing, we'll stabilize that. Basically around the building, you can see the footings aren't bad. They're a little off here and there, but sleeves are driving pretty good. So again, we're about halfway through this, so we'll get a final video once this is all done. I want to bring in a couple of people I got here with me. I have Phil. He is actually the co-designer of the repair sleeve, and I actually got the privilege of getting him out here and making him work today.
Thanks, Mike.
This is Phil. Like I said, he's the co-founder of the sleeve. And then we've got two gentlemen here. I'm going to have Phil introduce them. They're here local. They're looking at becoming an installer. So that's what Anthem's trying to do. We want to A, help people, and B, we want to bring on new people so we can cover more areas, because Anthem can't do it all. So we've got quite a few installers in different states, and we're looking to keep it going. So I'm going to let Phil take over, introduce our two guys that came in. And
So we've got Mike McCormick here and his son Mason. And they came over to check it out. What do you guys think of the system so far?
It goes together relatively simple and seems 100% effective. Thoughts? Pretty impressive.
I enjoy it. I thought it was going to be a lot harder. I wasn't really sure what I was going to walk into today and if I was going to enjoy it. But to be honest, I don't see any problems with getting a hold of this and taking it off. I enjoy it.
so Mason just drew, he put in the last 3 sleeves. They basically just dropped the tools and walked away, and I left him there hanging. So I had to coach him from the skid. He did good. I mean, it's simple, right? You line up the driver, you make sure the sleeve's pushing, and you can obviously tell when it gets to the footing. So it's a lot of going slow and paying attention. Great product, works well. Mike, 309-238-5498, or Mike at anthembuilt.com. You can look at our website, anthembuilt.com. You can see all of our products in there and services.